Badadoom Tiger Rat Landing Gear Repair.
Welcome to the Badadoom 118 Cobra channel.
I picked up a Tiger Rat recently, and as well as this hand drill set for about $5. Not the Tiger Rat, unfortunately, that was about 100. I thought it would be pretty easy to reattach this landing gear, but you can see at this particular location there's quite a bit of resistance, and it's a real snapping point. I understand. I've seen them for sale on eBay. So anyway, I used the 0.8. You're going to want to start off the spacer you're going to drill with a pinprick of some kind, and then you just get drilling. You want to give yourself at least, let's say, 1/2 centimeter, as far as you can go really, so that you can provide a strong base for the piece of metal, whether that be a paper clip in this case, which did not work. It's way too flexible. It was a terrible idea. I don't know what I was thinking. And that's because I didn't realize how much tension there was, or how much resistance there was in that wheel well to get the actual wheel out compared to a lot of other aircraft toys. Then I did the same thing on the other end of the brake, which is the wheel well. Again, started off with a pinprick and get in there with the same size drill bit on the other side. You can see that I bought a Temu metal bar that's 1 millimeter thick, as well as 0.8. In this case I used the 1 millimeter because it was thick enough to prevent from bending, and that is how much resistance that this wheel well has when you actually move it. Unfortunately I forgot to record it, but I actually put glue on one end of the metal bar and stuck it into the hole, super glue of course, and then I did the same thing on the other side, and then I actually glued around the area between the two brakes, and so both the bar and the brake was glued. Here's a picture of the steel bar. I cut it with metal cutters, and so although there is some crud to clean up here, that's basically what it looks like. It's pretty solid, and you definitely also want to sand the 2 points that are going to be joined together and clean them. It provides for a little bit better bond. So I've opened it up here, not all the way in this particular frame, but I'm not going to be doing that a whole lot. It does actually open and close, so I'm probably going to get a stand and not use that too much. This one finally worked with a 1 millimeter bar. I'm basically not going to use it, and so I think that's about as good as it's going to get. I'm pretty happy with it, and so that is the Tiger Rat landing gear repair. Like and subscribe, and let's roll the credits.
Badadoom 118 Cobra channel.